Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to solve exercise of chapter number 10. The name of the chapter is Technology in Everyday Life. Take the correct answer. We check the horizontal surface level by using a plumb line, rule, spirit level, triangle, and C is the correct answer. What does a mason use to keep a wall vertical? Meter rods, spirit level, triangle, plumb line, and spirit level is the correct answer. Saline water is used for cleaning wound, drinking by patient, washing hands, taking bath, and A is the correct answer. Sterilizer's gauge is used for checking blood pressure as bandage on wound, for finding the body temperature, for cleaning workplace, and B is the correct answer as bandage on wound. The emergency phone call number is 2211 1133 1122 0911 and C is the correct answer 1122. Write short answers. What do you need to make a model of a footbridge? To make a model of a footbridge, we need skewer, thread, glue, wood, planes, nail, and paper. What is the difference between the functions of spirit level and plumb line? Spirit level. Spirit level is used by carpenter, masons, frame makers. Spirit level is used to check whether a surface is horizontal. Plumb line. Plumb line is used to check the straight level of flagpole. Mason use it to construct and check the correct direction of wall. What is an LED? LED are tiny light emitting bulbs. Lights of different colors are emitted by different LED. You have to install a picture frame on the wall. How can it kept straight horizontally as well as vertically? When we want a picture frame on the wall, we should use spirit level and plumb line. It will keep it straight horizontally as well as vertically. What is meant by first aid? First aid is a temporary care given to a person who has sudden ill or injury. Some additional questions हैं. Write two safety measures during working in laboratory. First one, wear apron before working in a laboratory. Do not open the bottles of chemicals after use lid the bottles. Write two safety measures to perform a activity. Keep your area clean. Remove the unnecessary objects around you. Do not use spit for folding on turning pages. Use a piece of foam soaked in clean water. Write about spirit level. A spirit level is an instrument designed to check whether a surface is horizontal or not. A bubble tube is fitted in it that is filled with a liquid, usually colored spirit, leaving a bubble in it. Write a note on plumb line. A plumb bob is a weight with a pointed tip at the bottom. One end of a string is tied to it as shown in figure. This is used as a vertical reference line, usually called as plumb line. What is meant by technical devices? Technical devices and machines are now widely used in our homes. They have made our life easy and comfortable. What should we do if LED are not light up? Make sure that positive legs of all LEDs are at one side of the cardboard strip and the negative legs on the other. side. If a LED is not glowing, change its leg sides and check it again. If still it does not glow, it is a faulty LED, replace it by a new one. How LED are lighted. Never connect this LED light string to 220 voltage AC. The circuit of LED light strings to be operated with 220 voltage AC supply are different. Write required material for form LED. 32 LED bulb, 12 voltage battery, 1 meter long and 5 centimeter wide, cardboard board strips, a steel nail, connecting wires, a cutting or pliers. Write required material to construct a musical instrument. Empty shoebox, cardboard, tube or pipe, scissors, rubber, band and glue. Write required materials to make a movable wagon. You will need a cardboard, any old carton, two thin wooden sticks or reed scissors, packing tape, colored paper and white chart paper. What are the main components of first aid box? A first aid box consisted on cotton, iodine, bandages, gauze and polyfix tube. What should we do in case of fire in a building? During fire, we should exit the building through emergency exit, stand outside the building classroom.